Turn your knowledge into income with the LearnWiserr Digital Downloads Marketplace. If you've ever dreamed of selling your own digital products, but felt overwhelmed by the tech, the cost, or the complexity, this is your moment. The LearnWiserr Digital Downloads Marketplace gives you a simple, affordable, and supportive place to turn your ideas, skills, and creativity into real income. Whether you already have digital products or you're creating new ones inspired by what you've learned inside LearnWiserr, this marketplace is built to help you grow forward and upward. A marketplace designed for everyday creators and ambitious builders. Most platforms make selling digital products complicated. High fees, confusing dashboards, endless setup. Not here. The LearnWiserr marketplace is intentionally built for people launching their first digital product, creators who want a low-cost way to start earning, entrepreneurs who want to scale without expensive overhead, community members who want to turn their learning into income. Anyone ready to build a business with real momentum. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a big audience. You don't need a huge budget. You just need a product and the desire to grow. Why sell here? Because we built this platform for you inside the LearnWiserr ecosystem. You're not just another seller lost in a crowded marketplace. You're part of a community that values real solutions, practical tools, and creators who want to make a difference. Here's what makes this marketplace powerful. Easy to start. Upload your product, set your price, and you're ready to go. No complicated setup, no coding, no stress. Affordable for all. We keep costs low so you keep more of what you earn. This is about empowering creators, not draining their profits. Built-in audience. You're selling directly to a community of learners, entrepreneurs, and doers who are actively looking for tools that help them grow. Scalable as you grow. Start with one product or launch an entire digital storefront. The marketplace grows with you, not against you. Perfect for products inspired by LearnWiserr. Learn something powerful in a course? Turn it into a template, guide, or resource others can use. Your learning becomes someone else's breakthrough and your income. What can you sell? More than you think. Here's a list of digital products our creators can offer, whether they already exist or are built from ideas, frameworks, and strategies learned inside LearnWiserr. Business and entrepreneurship. Business plan templates, startup checklists, branding kits, marketing strategy guides, social media content calendars, email marketing templates, sales scripts and funnels, client onboarding packets, pitch decks, personal development and productivity goal-setting workbooks, habit trackers, daily, weekly, or monthly planners, mindset journals, time management systems, reflection prompts, accountability worksheets, finance and money management, budget templates, debt payoff trackers, savings planners, investment research sheets, financial literacy guides, career and professional growth resume templates, interview prep guideworks, professional development toolkits, leadership worksheets, creative and digital skills, Canva templates, graphic packs, content creation guides, photography presets, writing prompts, branding mood boards, education and learning tools, study guides, lesson plans, skill-building worksheets, step-by-step frameworks, quick start guides for new learners, lifestyle and personal organization meal planners, fitness trackers, wellness journals, home organization printables, family budgeting sheets. And this is only the beginning. If you can create it digitally, you can sell it here. Your skills deserve to be seen. Your ideas deserve to be sold. The LearnWiserr Digital Downloads Marketplace gives you the platform, the audience, and the support to turn your creativity into income without the barriers that usually hold people back. This is your chance to build a new income stream, test ideas without big risk, grow your brand, support others in the community, turn your learning into leverage, scale your business upward with confidence. You're not just selling products, you're building opportunity, one download at a time. A marketplace built for creators who are ready to grow. The LearnWiserr Digital Downloads Marketplace isn't just a storefront, it's a launchpad. Designed for creators, entrepreneurs, and everyday innovators, this marketplace gives individuals a simple, affordable way to sell their digital products while building real momentum in their business. Inside our community, people aren't just learning how to grow, they're actively doing it. And this marketplace gives them a place to turn their knowledge, skills, and creativity into income. Sell with ease. Scale with confidence. We built this marketplace with one goal in mind: to remove the barriers that usually hold people back from selling online. No complicated tech, no overwhelming setup, no expensive platforms draining your profits, just a clean, supportive space where you can upload your digital products effortlessly, reach a community already invested in learning and growth, earn income without high fees or confusing systems. Build your brand as you build your business. Whether you're selling templates, guides, planners, scripts, frameworks, or any other digital asset, the marketplace gives you the tools and visibility to get started quickly and grow steadily. A community that lifts you up. Because this marketplace is connected to the LearnWiserr ecosystem, you're not selling into the void. You're selling into a community that values real solutions, practical tools, and creators who bring something meaningful to the table. Here, your products don't just sit on a shelf. They become part of someone's transformation. Forward and upward. As you grow, the marketplace grows with you. It's built to support your next step, your next product, your next level. Whether you're testing your first idea or scaling a full digital business, this platform gives you the space, structure, and support to move forward and upward toward new opportunities. This is more than a marketplace. It's a stepping stone to your next chapter.